A prehistoric monster waits for the morning sun. On this Indonesian island, he rules supreme. The komodo dragon is a modern-day dinosaur. With a weight of up to 300 pounds, it is the heaviest lizard in the world. They are equipped with 3-inch claws and a phenomenal sense of smell. A newborn calf could be a great meal for komodo dragons. They were initially oblivious to the existence of these predators. But as they approached, danger became imminent. Their numbers keep increasing, and there is no escape for a calf that hasn't spent hours since birth. The dragons take care not to get too close. All they need is just a bite. Its bites inject a toxic mixture of bacteria. The death of the calf becomes inevitable. A few hours are enough for the poison. When the prey is smaller, the komodo dragon does not need to rely on its deadly poison. Monkeys could be among the prey that the komodo dragon can swallow them alive in a matter of minutes. It's really a very sad death for this monkey. This brutal creature does not know the meaning of mercy.